This is an update. I've left my job at the big box store, so I'm going to work on my properties full time for about a couple months anyway. We'll see. Right now, I'm setting up my drywall lift. It's been a few years since I've used this, so it might be a little bit of a struggle. And then hopefully I'm putting the bathroom ceiling in. Putting the bathroom ceiling in, putting green board up. And that's what I'm working on today. I got the Braun 679L installed. So, and I put up my first sheet of green board. We're getting there. I'm probably not the most efficient person, but it'll get better as I get into the swing.